From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of cluttered closets and wrinkled pants? Look no further than the MYOYAY Pull-Out Trousers Rack 22-arm steel, a game-changer for anyone who wants to maximize their wardrobe space. This product is a well-reviewed and popular choice among customers, and for good reason. The cylindrical rod is wrapped in a soft, flocked material that helps maintain the shape of your pants without wrinkles, giving you a crisp, professional look every time. With a large capacity that can hold up to 22 pairs of pants and a maximum load of 33 pounds, this rack is perfect for everyday use. The double-row damped rails ensure quiet and smooth work, allowing you to pull out the rack without making a sound, and the carbon steel plating with flocking gives the rack a smooth, rust-resistant finish that will last for years to come. One of the best features of this product is how easy it is to install, with a simple screw-on design that can be mounted in any wardrobe with a depth of more than 18.5 inches and a width of more than 23.6 inches. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast or just someone who wants to keep their closet organized, the MYOYAY Pull-Out Trousers Rack is a must-have. It's perfect for high-end retail displays or in-home collections, and its extra storage capacity makes it a great choice for anyone who wants to keep their clothes looking their best. With its high capacity, easy setup, and quiet work, this product is a cut above the rest, and its popularity among customers is a testament to its quality and effectiveness. So why not give it a try and see the difference it can make in your daily life? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.